Getting lots of water in Farmland Temu is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, construct irrigation systems such as canals, ditches, or pipes to bring water to your farmland. Then place these systems strategically to cover as much of your farmland as possible. Locate natural water sources such as rivers, lakes, or wells on the map. Then, utilize these water sources to irrigate your farmland by directing water from them to your fields. Now, invest in upgrading your water infrastructure to improve water distribution efficiency and increase the amount of water available to your farmland. Set up rainwater collection systems such as rain barrels or catchment ponds to capture and store rainwater for use during dry periods. Choose crops that are well suited to the local climate and water availability. Opt for drought-resistant crops or varieties that require less water to thrive. Implement water conservation practices such as mulching, drip irrigation, and soil moisture monitoring to reduce water loss and optimize water usage in your farmland. Now, invest in research and development to unlock advanced irrigation technologies and water management techniques that can help you maximize water availability and crop yields. Work together with other players in the game to share water resources, coordinate irrigation efforts, and collectively manage water usage for the benefit of all players' farmlands.